That is part 1 of a 2 by 2 multiplication shortcuts. We discussed the window and doubling-halving methods for quickly multiplying two double-digit numbers. I hope you had got the hang of those two techniques by now. But if you have missed the video, do watch it, as today's video is a continuation of that. Also, do watch my video on 2 by 1 multiplication shortcut, as it will help you do 2 by 2 multiplication even faster. I have provided the link for both these videos in the description box below and in the I button on your screen. Today, in part 2 of 2 by 2 multiplication shortcuts, we will discuss the remaining two tricks, that is the distance from 100 method and multiplying when the multiplicand or the multiplier is close to 100 method. And oh yes, I have a bonus for you at the end of the video. So keep watching this video till the end. So we will start with the distance from 100 method today. Let's first understand the general steps of the method. Step 1. Take 100 as the base number and subtract the multiplier and multiplicand from 100. This is to calculate the distance of the multiplier and the multiplicand from 100. Step 2. Add the two differences you get in step 1. Step 3. Subtract this sum from 100. Step 4. Multiply the two differences from step 1. Finally, step 5. Write the value of step 3 to the left of the value of step 4 to get the answer. Let me illustrate this with an example. Consider the problem 93 into 97. First, let's take the base number as 100 and do 100 minus 93 and 100 minus 97. This gives us the answers 7 and 3. So, the distance of 93 from 100 is 7 and the distance of 97 from 100 is 3. Now, add 7 and 3, which gives the sum 10. Next, do 100 minus 10, which gives us the value 90. Lastly, multiply 7 into 3, which is 21. Now, write 90 to the left of 21 to get the number 9021, and what you have is the product of 93 and 97, that is 9021. Let's take another example to clear any confusions. Let's do 95 into 98. First, do 100 minus 95 and 100 minus 98. The two differences we get are 5 and 2. Now, 0 and there you go. Your answer for the problem 95 into 98 is 9310. Isn't that so much easier than multiplying the numbers in the normal right to left way? Note that the distance from 100 method is an excellent and extremely simple trick for mental 2 by 2 multiplication when both the multiplier and the multiplicand are between 90 and 100. I will show you why this method works well only for such a short range of numbers. Suppose you want to do 86 into 72. So, let's follow the steps of the technique, that is 100 minus 86, which is equal to 14, and 100 minus 72, which is equal to 28. Now, you add 14 and 28, which gives 42, and then subtract that from 100 to get the value 58. But the problem arises when you have to multiply 14 into 28 in your head. Yes, you can apply the window method or the doubling-halving method to compute this. But this will become more confusing. I mean, it's like using one 2 by 2 multiplication shortcut within another 2 by 2 multiplication shortcut. Why would you do all that? You may as well use the window or the doubling-halving method directly to solve this problem. That would actually be more straightforward. Alright, so now we know that to multiply two numbers lying between 90 and 100, you just have to use the distance from 100 strategy. But what if you have a problem like this? 73 into 96. Here only one factor is between 90 and 100. In such cases, we will follow the multiplying when multiplier or multiplicand is close to 100 method. This works as follows. Here too, we will take 100 as the base number and re-express 96 as 100 minus 4. So, now we can rewrite the problem as 73 into 100 minus 4. This is further solved as 7300 minus 292, which is equal to 7008. Let's take another example, 27 into 99. We will re-express this problem as 27 into 100 minus 1, which is equal to 2700 minus 27. Solve 2700 minus 27 to get the answer 2673. So, as you can see, the close to 100 method is the easiest to do mentally when one of the factors is 99 or at least a number above 90, because then it becomes easier and quicker to do the 2 by 1 multiplication and the subtraction in your head. And that's it. There you have contains 20 double-digit multiplication problems for you to solve mentally or with just a pen and paper. Remember, no calculator is allowed. The challenge is for you to use the right technique so that you solve each problem in the shortest possible time. You can find the link for the same in the description box below. Do use this free worksheet to sharpen your multiplication skills during your spare time in this no school lockdown period. Show off your child skills to your parents, and yes, let me know which method you used to solve each problem. Let's find out if you and I used the same method for a problem. Thank you friends for watching this video. As always, if you found it useful, do give it a big thumbs up, share it and subscribe too. Do tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my new uploads.